past my swimming as well!
So the award ceremony the last Friday night of the session is a really great night of celebration. It's a lot of fun. It's ridiculously goofy. We do skits that sometimes only we would laugh at because we're in the mood to laugh at crazy, silly things. But the main event is recognizing the awards that campers and staff have earned. And so we'll call every name, they'll come up and they'll receive a patch and an applause. That's a pretty big deal. That's an affirming time for campers and staff. Especially for young woodsmen, of course, when the whole 250 people are clapping for you, that puts wind in your sails. But it's not just for the young guys, it's a big deal for the counselors when they achieve something. So we want to celebrate the hard work that's gone on and make sure that it's recognized. It's a stand up, stomp your feet, bring the house down celebration.